Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer slash editor, and also my dog, Sophie, is at the window here staring at me laughing because she won't come outside because it's freezing. It is 12 degrees, I think, something like that. Colder, with the wind chill, although the wind has calmed down a lot, which is fantastic. Happy winter, everybody. Happy winter. And we do have snow, which is really cool, actually. I'll be honest, I would rather have snow in the winter than rain, thunderstorms, that kind of stuff, because it just looks better. All right, so today though, since it is so cold, one more thing. So like I said, my producer and editor Sophie is also my dog, but she does, like, as she edits these videos, she likes to make fun of me. So if you see any text going across the bottom or the top of the screen, those come from Sophie as she edits. She likes to take jabs at me. Some of them kind of hurt my feelings, but she does such a good job that I just let it go. Okay, so it is freezing cold. So today we're going to be making, I'm very excited about this, by the way. Today we're going to be making the Toasted Marshmallow-Flavored Hot Cocoa that you could find at the Wandering Oaken's Trading Post in Disney's Hollywood Studios. Sadly, it closed in 2015, so you can no longer get this. So that's why I thought I would make it at home. This is the trading post that you see in the film Frozen, when Anna goes in to get clothes or coat or something. This is it. This is the one. But it did sadly close in 2015. So, and I don't, this actually calls for toasted marshmallow syrup, like, the kind you put in coffee, but I didn't have any, but I did have a s'more syrup, oddly enough. And since that has toasted marshmallow in it, I figure I'm going to use that. So it might give it a little bit of a different flavor, but will still be delicious nonetheless. So I'm very excited. There's a helicopter or plane going over or something. Because, we are outside, obviously. I need to get in there because it is cold. My hands are starting to hurt. So anyway, we will, let's get to that. I'm going to make the toasted marshmallow flavored hot cocoa. What am I saying? I'm sorry. I'm going to be making the toasted marshmallow flavored hot cocoa that you could find at the now defunct Wandering Oaken's Trading Post in Disney's Hollywood Studios. My mouth is starting not to work. It's so cold out here. Let's get inside. Okay, I'm going to attempt to drink this while I'm holding the camera. It looks delicious, I have to admit. So let's give it a try. Oh, wow. That might be the best hot chocolate I have ever had. And I'm not just saying that. I would just say that, but I'm not just saying that. This is delicious. Oh my gosh, the marshmallow, the toasted marshmallow really comes out in the syrup here. So s'mores, I guess it's adding a little chocolate to it also, but it already had that in it. So I think if you cannot find the toasted marshmallow syrup, some more syrup will do just fine. This is delicious. I don't know why. They need to bring this back. This needs to be brought back to Hollywood Studios. Or Epcot at the Frozen attraction. That would make even more sense. Yeah, this is fantastic. I'm gonna give this, honestly, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Best hot chocolate I've ever had. Not just saying that. Happy winter. You guys should make this. Go home right now. Well, go home if you're watching this and you are at home. Make it. If you're not at home, go home and make it. It's delicious. And if there's snow outside like there is here, this will be perfect for that. That'll warm you right up. Get the feeling of sitting by a campfire, eating s'mores, drinking hot chocolate, and the flavor of a s'more. Delicious. Good stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you, Disney. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. She's actually doing it right here in the window. Sophie, come on. You can also hit the like button because it really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. And leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do or go somewhere. I could go somewhere if you'd like me to do that. Just leave that in the comments and I can attempt to do that. The keyword being attempt. And one last thing, you can hit the notification bell. You'll know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And there's a dog barking back here if you haven't heard that. And it's not Sophie. I'm surprised she isn't barking back. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.